But we have a small problem here. So if I will run it and I will write yes, the result is your price is $4 because we are a student, right? But if I will run it and write yes like this, it means a big letter, and I will run it, your price is $6, right? Because this student status, this variable is yes with big first letter. So the condition is like this: yes is equal to yes, but it's not true, right? Because it isn't the same. So we need to, and or the solution is that we will use a lower. Well, what does it mean? I will comment it out. Just a second. So I want to print, for example, David, like this. If I will print it, I will see David. Okay. But if I will put here lower, like this, it means that, sorry, it doesn't go like this. We need to give lower here. It means that you need take the text and after that the lower function. So if I will run it, all letters are small. Okay, if I will write something like this, it means David is or all letters are small. Okay, so we have lower and we have upper as well. Upper is the opposite. So I will write upper, for example, like this, and you can see that the David is or has all letters big. So we use lower and upper. So if I would like to use it in our situation, I mean here, so if anybody will write yes or no with big letters, all big letters or only the first will be big letter, it doesn't matter. So usually we write lower here because here we want to compare the student status with yes, and yes is or has small letters. Okay, so anything what the user will write here, we will convert it to small letters. Okay, so now if I will run it and I will write, for example, yes, it works because yes with big numbers is here. We convert it to small letters, it means yes like small letters, store it here and compare with small letters or yes with small letters here. Okay, I hope it makes sense. So if I will write, for example, yes like this, it works as well. Okay, so don't forget to use lower if it is necessary.